Traders, hey, sorry, I didn't actually do a backtest video yesterday. That would have been Wednesday, and that was due mainly to some schedule issues, and I needed to sort of have a rest before my athletics training after work. So the drugs are taking effect okay. I'm feeling not too bad. We'll go to 52. Now, the reason why it's showing 50.61 is that we had this wonderful trade. Let's zoom out. Pardon me. So I went in for a buy trade here, and it held sideways and then collapsed pretty aggressively. So we're at 53% win rate, return 3.78, profit factor 1.27, and the average profit is 110. Average loss is $99. So that needs to be a little bit higher with the average profitable trade as well, to be honest. I'd like to see that around 150, 200 to the average loss. And profit factor closer to 2 would be good. Max drawdown was $601, which was around 6%. Let's get the calculator ready. It's got a throat lozenge. I felt like someone punched me in the throat earlier, so apologize. Okay, let's do this, guys. If we can break down beyond this support level here, we could possibly have a sell trade. I just like to see it consolidate a little bit before and then squeeze down a little bit more. I'm not really a fan of that candle. Sort of distance we have. It's just when it falls like this, it's trying to catch that falling knife essentially. You don't want to be chasing. You want it to sort of peter out a little bit, let the market make a decision, because it could have easily just bounced up when it's like this. When the mindset of everyone is, let's quickly sell, let's quickly buy, it can get quite ugly. Right, this is looking a bit better now. Let's have a little retrace, see what I mean? With an aggressive down move, we're going to have a little retrace. That move looks like the Euro-US dollar right now as well. A nice little bounce recently. Just going to pause it 1 second, guys. I'll be back shortly. Hey guys, okay, sorry about that. We're at 51.30 months process. We'll go to 52. I think right here is an excellent example of how backtesting is extremely relevant and that patterns reoccur. So it's not just sheer randomness, the markets. It's no setup is going to be exactly the same though, because different individuals are trading differently, but there are certain things that are repeatable. So you've got to remember that. Okay, now we're taking off again. It's very difficult when it's like this. See, that band expansion is good though, but we've got to get the 55-day over the 200. Nothing to really fit the setup. Like, obviously, down here, you could say, oh, Scott, was downtrending, but you could have potentially made money, but you've got to remember that you've got to stick with the rules. So you can't always capture every move the market makes. You've got to be a little bit real when it comes to, sitting back and going, okay, this is just not fitting in with what I do. And I know some people like to hold a position the whole time, and then if a reversal takes place, that's something like a Colin Jessup. I don't really do that. I don't mind not being in the market and just watching. That's fine by me. Alright guys, we're going to be concluding the session. That's 52 months there, and no trades were taken. I'm going to upload this straight away, guys, and then my next video will be a stock trading watch list update, and I'll upload that straight away. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night, and happy trading. Bye.